Hi, I'm Erin, and we are at the LovelySkin store, and I'm joined by Evie. She is an amazing hairstylist. She's going to be doing a fall runway wavy look.
To create the curls today, we're going to be using the Chi Air 3-in-1 styler. This is super cool. You can have it as a straightener, or you can lock it down with this little switch, and it turns into a curling iron. So we are going to be using it on the curling iron function today. Just going to section off her hair. And to make this look even beachier and more undone, we're going to use bigger sections. So probably a 2 or 3 inch section. The second product we'll use is the L'Oreal Series Expert Color 10-in-1 Heat Protectant. This product is super great because not only does it protect your hair from hot tools, it also protects it from the sun. So if you have color in your hair, it won't fade or anything like that. Then I'm just gonna comb through the section. And you don't wanna take any section that's wider than the width of the iron. So about 1 inch is what you're gonna wanna stick to. And I'm just wrapping the hair around in the direction away from her face, holding for about 10 seconds, then letting down and give it a little bit of a tug. With this look, it's really fun to switch directions in the way you're curling the hair. It gives the hair a little bit more texture and a little bit more volume. I'm going to use a pick today, but you could also use a wide tooth comb or your fingers. It's up to you. And then make sure that the curls are cool before you start brushing through them. Pinch at the top here so that you don't lose any of the volume, and just pull right through there. To add a little bit more volume, you can take a good amount from the crown and pull that up, and take a fine tooth comb, start in probably 3 inches from the root and push down, and also kind of make a round motion like this. And pack that hair down, then lay it down and fix any crazy hairs that you see, and that gives it a fuller look. And that wraps it up for our look today. If you want to kind of beach it up a little bit extra, you can flat iron the ends or add a sea salt texture spray to give it a little more movement.
If you wanted to use or purchase any of the products that we used here today, you can find them here at the LovelySkin store or online at lovelyskin.com.